Guys, camera batteries are one of those things that always seem fine until you actually need them. You turn up to film, you grab a battery and suddenly it's half charged or dead, or you've got 3 separate chargers, a power bank and cables everywhere. So today guys, we're taking a look at the Photoolex BB Pro camera battery charger kit. It charges 2 camera batteries at once. It has a built-in power bank, USB-C and USB-A outputs, a proper display, and it's designed for people who shoot for longer than one battery will comfortably last. So is this actually a useful bit of creator kit or just another charger to carry around? Well, stick around. I'll be back in just a few seconds. What's up YouTube? Dave here with Seen Through a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. We make lifestyle videos and all things tech, so if that's your kind of thing, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on the bell icon so you could be notified of new videos. Right guys, this is the Photoolex BB Pro, and the idea is pretty simple. Instead of just being a normal camera battery charger that sits on your desk, this is also a portable power bank, so you can charge compatible camera batteries but also use it to top up other devices when you're away from a wall socket. Photoolex makes different versions depending on the battery system you use, including versions for Sony, Canon, Nikon and Fujifilm. So the first thing I would say is check carefully before ordering. This is not one universal charger for every camera battery. You're going to need the correct version for your kit. Now guys, before we get into it, Photoolex did send me this for me to take a look at and give you my honest opinion. And guys, you know that whatever I review, you're always going to get my honest opinion, good, bad or indifferent. Also guys, just a quick note before we get into it properly, that charging times and power outputs will depend on the batteries you're using, the charger you plug it into, the cable and whatever else you're powering at the same time. So with that said, let's get this out of the box and see what we have. So guys, open up the box and we've got the BB Pro charger itself. Now I'm just going to pop that down for a sec. Then we've got some paperwork, which although this is a pretty straightforward device, it's always worth looking at the paperwork because you know what, you might find some hidden gems in there. Then guys, we have a little carry bag, which is pretty useful so you don't scratch the device up while carrying it around. And then we've got a USB-C to USB-C charging cable and of course the BB Pro charger itself. Now guys, first up, let's look at this charger itself because the BB Pro has 2 battery slots that you can charge 2 batteries at the same time. That alone is useful if you're filming regularly, but because charging batteries can be a bit of a pain, having the ability to charge 2 simultaneously is pretty cool. Now, setup is easy. You just press the latch, slide the batteries in, and it starts charging automatically. And you know what? Removing the batteries are simple as well, right? You just click the retainer latch and the battery pops out. Also guys, this little bad boy has a little lanyard system here, which actually doubles up as a USB-C charging cable, so that is pretty neat also. Now, what about usage guys? Well, the BB Pro bread and butter is charging up to 2 camera batteries simultaneously, which is great for travel, events, weddings, outdoor filming, long shoots, or even just those days when you're moving between locations and don't want to carry a bag full of separate chargers or power banks. But the killer app, it also gives you USB-C and USB-A options so you can top up other bits of gear as well. That could be your phone, wireless mics, small light, monitor, action camera, whatever else you've got in the bag that charges over USB. And guys, for creators, that's probably where this becomes genuinely useful because the problem is rarely just one dead camera battery. It's everything needing power at slightly different times. Now, camera batteries, phone, audio gear, lights, monitor, maybe a tablet or laptop, you know what? It all starts to add up. The BB Pro doesn't magically solve every power problem, but it does bring a few of those jobs into one device. Also, guys, the display is another thing that I like, because rather than just having a tiny red or green, LED or something like that and hoping for the best, you get proper information on the screen. You can see battery levels, you can see charging status, power information, and what the charger is doing itself. Now, if I'm heading out to film, I want to know what's charged, what's still charging, and whether I need to swap anything before leaving. There's also an app. Yes, there's also an app which lets you monitor battery status and, where supported, update firmware for compatible Photoolex batteries. Now, I don't think everyone will care about the app side, and I wouldn't buy it just for that. But you know what? It's useful if you're using their batteries and want a bit more control or information. I mean, in real world terms, this is the sort of thing I'd keep in a camera bag or in my filming kit. So guys, you know what? If you only shoot occasionally and already have one basic charger, you probably don't need to rush out and buy this. But if you film regularly, travel with your camera, shoot events, or always seem to be managing batteries and cables, this could make your setup a lot tidier. So guys, there you have it. The Photoolex BB Pro camera battery charger kit. A dual camera battery charger with a built-in power bank, USB charging options, a proper display, and app support if you're using compatible batteries. It keeps things a bit more organized, gives you better information, and means you're not relying on one tiny charger and a pile of loose batteries in your bag. Now guys, if you just want the cheapest possible way to charge a battery at home, well, you know what? There are simpler options. But if you shoot regularly and want something more flexible for travel, location work, or longer filming, then the BB Pro is definitely worth a look. And guys, at the time of this video going live, you can pick up this bad boy for less than £90, which in my opinion is a bit of a steal. I'll leave any links in the description below, along with any current pricing or discounts I have been given. And just make sure, guys, if you do decide to buy one of these, you choose the correct version for your camera battery system. And if you have any comments or questions, then please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like the video, then please give it a thumbs up. It really does make a difference. And if you'd like to see more of my content, then please subscribe and click on the bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. Thanks to you guys for watching, and thanks to Photoolex for sending me this cool bit of kit to review. I'm Dave with Seeing Through a Lens, and I will see you the next time. Bye for now.